you in the middle.
Oppo A7 full specifications. General. Release date, November 2018. Dimensions, 155.90 by 75.40 by 8.10 millimeters. Weight, 168.00 grams. Battery capacity, 4230 mAh. Colors, Glaze blue, glaring gold. Display, IPS LCD display. Protection, Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Screen size, 6.2 inches. Resolution, 720 by 1520 pixels, 19:9 ratio. Hardware. Processor make, Qualcomm Snapdragon 450. CPU, octa-core 1.8 GHz Cortex A53. GPU, Adreno 506. RAM, 3 GB, 4 GB. Storage, 32 GB. Expandable up to 256 GB. Camera. Front camera, 13 megapixel. Plus 2 megapixel, f/2.4 depth sensor. Front 16 megapixel. Software. Operating system, ColorOS 5.2, based on Android 8.1. Connectivity. Wi-Fi, 802.11a/b/g/n. GPS, Bluetooth, v4.20. USB OTG, headphones 3.5 mm. Number of SIMs, 2. Sensors. Fingerprint sensor. Compass/magnetometer. Proximity sensor. Accelerometer. Ambient light sensor. Gyroscope. Price, 1,599 Chinese yuans, $230, €200.
Subscribe my channel for more videos.